Set against the breathtaking landscape of Woodland, Utah, this extraordinary estate represents a rare fusion of luxury, self-sufficiency, and mountain architecture. Designed entirely from the ground up as a fully off-grid residence, the property is capable of producing its own water, generating its own electricity, and operating independently for extended periods of time. Spanning 12,377 square feet of interior living space, the home offers 6 bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, 1 powder room, and sits on an expansive 49.11-acre parcel. Currently listed at $25.9 million, this estate is not just a home, it is a private, self-sustaining sanctuary. The approach to the property immediately sets the tone. A gated private drive winds through lush greenery, gradually transitioning from asphalt to paved stone as it leads toward the motor court. Surrounded by sweeping mountain views, valleys, and dense forest, the setting is quiet, secluded, and visually striking. The natural beauty here feels untouched, with the Uinta National Forest, over 2 million acres of protected land, stretching endlessly beyond the property, ensuring that the views will remain forever unchanged. One of the estate's most impressive exterior features is its helicopter pad, positioned for discreet and convenient access. Nearby, a large solar array anchors the property's off-grid infrastructure. 8 massive solar arrays provide the home's primary source of electricity, feeding into an advanced battery system capable of storing up to 300 kilowatt-hours of power. The panels are adjustable, allowing them to track optimal sunlight throughout the year. If additional power is ever required, 6 1,000-gallon propane tanks fuel a backup generator that can run the entire estate for months without external support. Water independence is another defining feature. The property includes 2 private wells drilled more than 500 feet into an underground aquifer. A state-of-the-art filtration system paired with a 1,000-gallon holding tank allows the estate to generate and store its own water indefinitely. Even more impressively, the property includes full water rights, meaning there are no ongoing water costs, a rare and valuable asset. Adjacent to the main residence is a detached guest home that mirrors the architectural language of the primary structure. It features multiple garage bays with drive-through access, an oversized second-floor deck, and a dedicated water filtration area. Although separate, this guest home is uniquely connected to the main house via an underground tunnel, a design element inspired by Utah's historic mining heritage. The main residence itself is a masterful blend of old and new. The right wing of the home preserves the original log cabin that once stood on the site, while the newer central and left sections expand upon that foundation. The developers carefully followed the original cabin's design language, using locally sourced logs, stacked stone, and natural wood finishes to maintain architectural harmony. Steep roof lines, expansive windows, and multiple decks ensure the home remains deeply connected to its surroundings. Upon entering through the glass pivot front door, the home opens into a dramatic central volume filled with natural light. Towering ceilings, skylights, exposed beams, and floor-to-ceiling glass immediately draw attention to the surrounding mountain scenery. The use of stacked stone from the exterior continues inside, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor design. White oak hardwood floors laid in a herringbone pattern add warmth and elegance to the space. The entry area flows naturally into a combined dining and seating zone centered around a custom expandable dining table that can accommodate up to 16 guests. Nearby, the main family room offers a cozy yet grand atmosphere, anchored by a soaring stone fireplace and framed by panoramic forest views. Beyond the glass, the vast wilderness feels like a private backyard, offering endless opportunities for hiking, snowmobiling, fishing, and outdoor exploration. The kitchen is divided into 2 distinct, yet connected sections. The first features a raised island with bar seating, dolomite countertops, integrated refrigeration, and pop-up power outlets. The second section is a chef's dream, centered around a large island with a farmhouse sink, dual dishwashers, and a striking waterworks faucet with an industrial steampunk aesthetic. A Blue Star 8-burner gas range with brass accents sits within a brick feature wall, while custom cabinetry, butcher block details, and premium appliances complete the space. Adjacent to the kitchen is a cozy, informal dining nook, surrounded by windows and built-in seating.
The restored original cabin portion of the home serves as a warm and character-rich living space. Exposed log walls, handcrafted railings, carved wood details, skylights, and multiple fireplaces give this area an authentic mountain lodge feel. French doors open directly to the backyard, while preserved elements, such as a Dutch door and hand-carved eagle sculpture, celebrate the home's history. This level also includes 2 guest bedrooms that share a beautifully appointed bathroom, featuring reclaimed wood cabinetry, stone walls, a freestanding cast-iron tub, and mosaic tile floors. Split air conditioning units throughout the home allow for individualized climate control, an essential solution given the log construction. Upstairs, a loft space overlooks the main living areas, offering additional seating, game tables, and access to outdoor decks. One of the most unique design features here is the railing system, anchored by entire tree trunks complete with exposed root systems. This level also includes what was once the primary suite of the original cabin, complete with a private deck, fireplace, walk-in closet, and a spa-like bathroom, featuring a concrete soaking tub and skylight. The newer primary suite occupies the left wing of the home and feels like a private retreat. Vaulted ceilings, exposed beams, wood veneer accent walls, fireplaces, and expansive glass doors open to wraparound decks overlooking the forest. The ensuite bathroom is equally impressive, with a copper freestanding tub positioned to capture the views, a marble-clad steam shower with multiple shower heads, and double copper sinks paired with waterworks fixtures. Outdoor living spaces wrap around the home, featuring solid wood decking, multiple seating and dining areas, fireplaces, and uninterrupted views of the surrounding landscape. A private pond and stream flow through the lower portion of the property, adding to the estate's sense of tranquility. The land itself consists of 5 individual lots, offering future development potential or the opportunity to preserve total privacy for generations. The lower level of the home is dedicated to entertainment and guest accommodations. It includes a 3-car garage, a spa-style bathroom, multiple bedrooms, and an extraordinary bunk room designed to sleep numerous guests comfortably. A screening room with oak paneling, sunken seating, and premium surround sound sits opposite an oversized indoor hot tub separated by a full bar area. Hidden behind a vault door is a fully equipped secret safe room, complete with cabinetry, climate control, a bathroom, and storage, adding another layer of security and intrigue. The lower level also features a mining-themed tunnel that connects directly to the guest home, a standout architectural element rarely seen in residential properties. The detached guest home offers a large entertainment floor with billiards table, bar, lounge seating, kitchenette, full bathroom, and a private deck with sweeping views back toward the main estate. Designed for flexibility, it can easily be converted into additional living quarters if desired. In every sense, this woodland Utah estate is a legacy property. Its off-grid capabilities, architectural craftsmanship, vast acreage, and seamless integration with nature create a lifestyle that is both luxurious and resilient. Built to endure and designed to inspire, this is a home meant to be experienced, preserved, and passed down for generations.